Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we completed up to question number 55. Next, we'll discuss question number 56. They given the function f maps R2 closed interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 defined by f of x equals to x by 1 plus x square is first one surjective but not injective, second neither injective nor surjective. Third one invertible means both injective and surjective. And fourth one injective but not surjective. Injective but not surjective. Okay, solution. First we need to verify it is injective or not. That's why consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So if you want to prove injective, we need to prove that x1 is equal to x2. So what is given function f of x? X by 1 plus x square. Instead of x, substitute x1, then what you will get? X1 by 1 plus x1 square equals to x2 by 1 plus x2 square. Now cross multiplication, x1 into 1 x1 plus x1 into x2 square, x1 x2 square, 1 into x2 x2 plus x2 x1 square. Now what you will get? X1 minus x2 plus, in these two I can take x1 minus x2 common, x1 x2 common, then x2 minus x1 equals to 0. So from this we can write x1 minus x2, if we take minus common, after taking minus common this will be changed to x1 minus x2. Again in this line you can take x1 minus x2 common, then what you will get? 1 minus x1 x2 equals to 0. But x1 minus x2 is not 0, that's why x1 minus x2 is not 0, that implies x1 not equals to x2. Then finally f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then we can prove x1 not equals to x2, then f is not injective. This we can prove by using AOD chapter, okay, but AOD concept is not completed, that's why I am using the relational functions concept. Okay, next, how to prove surjective? Let f of x is equal to y. What is f of x? X by 1 plus x square equals to y. Cross multiply here, x equals to y plus yx square. Okay, then the equation is yx square minus x plus y equals to 0. It is a quadratic equation. From this equation, a value is y, b value is minus 1, c value also y. But we required the roots are real and distinct. That implies b square minus 4ac value is greater than or equals to 0. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equals to 0 means we know ABC values, substitute, then what will get? 1 minus 4y square greater than or equals to 0. If you take 4 common, 1 by 4 minus y square greater than or equals to 0. Then what will get? Minus common, y square minus 1 by 4 less than or equals to 0. It can be written as y plus 1 by 2 into y minus 1 by 2 less than or equals to 0. Then finally what you will get? Y belongs to closed bracket minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. This is range. But what is codomain? This is domain, this is codomain. Codomain also closed bracket minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Therefore, codomain is equal to range. Whenever the codomain is equal to range, then the function is called surjective. Then the function is called surjective. Finally, it is surjective but not injective. That is nothing but option 1 is a correct answer for this question number 56. Next, we will discuss question number 57. X belongs to R minus 0 comma 1 and f1x equals to 1 by x and f2 of x equals to 1 minus x and f3 of x equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Totally 3 functions are given. If a function j of x, if a function j of x satisfies the condition f2 circle j circle f1 of x equals to f3 of x, then j of x equal to, okay. Now here the first option f3 of x, second option f1 of x, third option f2 of x, and fourth option 1 by x into f3 of x. So here in this case we need to find the function j of x. This question asked in JEE 2019. Previous question also JEE 2019. Okay, how to find? First, what is the given condition? f2 circle j circle f1 of x equals to f3 of x. Okay, then f2 circle j circle f1 of x equals to, what is f3 of x? 1 by 1 minus x. Here f1 of x function already we know, that is 1 by x. Then f2 circle j of 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. And again this can be written as f2 of j of 1 by x. If you remove circle, compulsory bracket we need to find 1 by 1 minus x. So here f2 of x function is what? 1 minus x. That's why 1 minus j of 1 by x, that equals to 1 by 1 minus x. It can be written as 1 minus 1 by 1 minus x is equal to j of 1 by x. If you simplify, then 1 gets cancelled. Then what you will get? Minus x by 1 minus x is equal to j of 1 by x. Here also if you take minus common, minus minus gets cancelled, then finally we got j of 1 by x equals to x by x minus 1. But in question we required j of x, but we got j of 1 by x. Replace 1 by x by x. After replacing 1 by x with x, then what will get? G of x equals to, instead of x we need to substitute 1 by x here, then 1 by x divided by 1 by x minus 1. Now simplify this. J of x is equal to 1 by x by, the denominator can be written as 1 minus x by x. Now x and x gets cancelled, then j of x is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. But 1 by 1 minus x is nothing but what? f3 of x. Then finally j of x can be written as f3 of x. f3 of x is nothing but option 1 is a correct answer for this question number 57. Next, fifty-eighth question. F maps R to R, G maps R to R, H maps R to R is defined as f of x is equal to x square, g of x equals to tan x, h of x equals to log x. Then find the value of h circle, g circle f of x if x equals to root pi by 2. This is the question. Then first option 0, second option 1, third option minus 1, fourth option 10. First we need to find the value of h circle, g circle, f of x. Okay, solution. H circle, g circle, f of x, it can be written as h of g of f of x. If you remove circle, instead of circle we need to place bracket. That equals to h of g of, what is the function f of x? F of x is given, that is x square. Substitute this x square in the function g in place of x, that is nothing but h equals to tan. In place of the variable x we need to replace with x square. Now what is the function what we have? H. H is log x. In place of x we need to substitute tan x square, that equals to log tan x square. This is h circle, g circle, f of x, but x value is given root pi by 2. Given that x value is root pi by 2, substitute this root pi by 2 in place of x, what you will get? Log of tan of root pi by 2 whole square, that is nothing but pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45. Tan 45 value is 1. That is log 1. Log 1 is nothing but 0. So therefore option 1 is correct answer. Next, 59. F maps R to R and G maps R to R defined by f of x equals to 2x plus 3 and g of x equals to x square plus 7, then the value of x for which f of g of x equals to 25, for which f of g of x is 25. Okay, in this first option plus or minus 1, second option plus or minus 2, third option plus or minus 3, fourth option plus or minus 4. So here we need to find the value of x. Okay, first solution, given condition, given that f of g of x is equals to 25, then f of what is g of x? Already we know x square plus 7, x square plus 7 equals to 25. You need to substitute this x square plus 7 in the function f in place of x. So in the function f in place of x we need to substitute x square plus 7, then 2 into x square plus 7 plus 3 equals to 25. Now simplify, 2x square plus 2 7 is 14 plus 3 equals to 25. Then 2x square 17 minus 20 equals to 25. 2x square equals to 8. Then x square equals to 4. Then x equals to plus or minus 2. This is the solution of the function by satisfying the condition f of g of x equals to 25. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer. This question is asked in JEE 2017. Next. So here we are using composition of functions, invertible functions, one functions, many to one function, on to function, and as well as bijective functions. Next, question number 60. G maps R to R is a function given by g of x equals to 3 plus 4x if g power n of x is nothing but g circle and so on g circle. You need to apply n times here, and g power n of x equals to a plus bx, then a and b, both values we need to find. First option 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 2 power n plus 1, and second one 4 power n minus 1 4 power n, third one 3 power n plus 1, and fourth one is none of these. See here we need to find g power n, but finding the composition n times is not possible. That's why we can find the composition 2 or 3 times. From that we can guess what is the value for n times. So already g of x is given. Next I am finding g square of x 2 times. G square of x is nothing but we need to apply the composition like this: g circle g of x. G circle g of x can be written as g of x, that equals to g of the function g of x is given, that is 3 plus 4x. So what is the meaning of this step? 3 plus 4x is substituted in g in place of x. Then g square x is equal to 3 plus 4 into, instead of x we need to substitute 3 plus 4x. Then g square of x is equal to 4 3 just 12, 12 plus 3 15 plus 16x. This can be written as g square of x equals to 4 square minus 1 plus 4 square into x. See here 2 times I applied the composition, here 2 will come. If you apply 3 times, 3 will come. Similarly, I am applying the composition n times. Then what will get? 4 power n minus 1 plus 4 power n into x. Compare this g power n of x, already g power n of x is given, that is a plus bx. A value is 4 power n minus 1, b value is 4 power n. Therefore, a equals to 4 power n minus 1 and b equals to 4 power n. So, this is answer, that is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer. Next, question number 61. In question number 61, they given the function f, g, h. F is a function r to r, that is x square minus 1, and g is also function from r to r, that is root x square plus 1, and h of x function given, it's 2 conditions it's satisfied. Condition number 1, 0 if x less than 0, x if x greater than 0. Totally 3 functions are given. Then find h circle, f circle g of x. So these are the functions, 3 functions defined from r to r, real number to real number. Then the first option is x, second option is x square, third option is 0, and fourth option is none of these. Okay, listen, how to find h circle, f circle g of x. H circle, f circle g of x, it can be written as h of f of g of x, that equals to h of f of g of x is nothing but under root of x square plus 1. Then you need to substitute this under root of x square plus 1 in the function f. In the function f, in place of x, we need to substitute root x square plus 1. Then what you will get? In place of x, I am substituting this root x square plus 1 whole square minus 1. Here square and root gets cancelled. Then h of x square plus 1 minus 1, again 1 gets cancelled, then h of x square. See here square is there means the function it can't be negative, either it is 0 or positive. But here h function given 2 conditions, if x value is negative, answer 0, if x value is positive, answer x. But here this is positive. Now we need to satisfy second condition. What is second condition? H of x is equal to x, h of y is equal to y, h of x square equals to x square. So this is the answer for this question number 61, that is nothing but option 2 is correct answer. Next, question number 62. F maps R to R is given by f of x equals to minus 1 if x is rational. Rational means the number which is in the form of p by q, where q not equals to 0. 1 if x is irrational. Total 2 conditions. Then find the value of f circle f of 1 minus root 3. Okay. First option 1, second option minus 1, third option root 3, fourth option 0. Okay. Listen. Then f circle f of 1 minus root 3. It can be written as f of 1 minus root 3. But f function is defined based on whether x is rational number or irrational number. If it is rational, answer is minus 1. If it is irrational, answer is 1. Now, this value is clearly irrational. If it is irrational, what value we need to take? 1. Then f of 1. But we know 1 is which number? Rational number. In this rational case, what is answer? Minus 1. Therefore, the answer is minus 1 for this question. That is nothing but option 2 is the correct answer. Next, 63. They given the function f of x equals to log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. G of x is given 3x plus x cube by 1 plus 3x square. Then we need to find f circle g of x. This value we need to find. Option, first option minus f of x. Second option 3 into f of x. Third option f of x whole cube, and fourth option none of these. Okay. In this we need to find f circle g of x. It can be written as f of g of x. G of x function is already given. What is g of x? 3x plus x cube by 1 plus 3x square. Substitute this entire value in f in place of x. Okay. What is f function? Log 1 plus, in place of x we need to take this total value, that is nothing but 3x plus x cube by 1 plus 3x square. By what is denominator? 1 minus x. Then 1 minus 3x plus x cube by 1 plus 3x square. Now simplify this. Both are having same LCM, so LCMs gets cancelled. Then log of 1 plus 3x square plus 3x plus x cube. Next, 1 plus 3x square minus 3x minus x cube. Numerator is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is nothing but a plus b whole cube, 1 plus x whole cube. and the denominator is in the form of a cube minus b cube plus 3a square b minus 3ab square. This is a cube plus b cube, 3a square b and 3ab square. This is a minus b whole cube. We will take cube for the single function, then log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole cube. In logarithmic function, the value which is power into the power, that should be right in first place. In logarithmic function, the value which is in the power, that value we need to write in first place. It can be written as 3 times of log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. But already given log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is nothing but f of x. Therefore, the answer is 3 into f of x. 3 into f of x is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 63. Next, 64th question. If f of x equals to x minus 1 by x plus 1, then f of x we need to find. First option 1 by x, second option minus 1 by x, third option 1 by x plus 1, fourth option 1 by x minus 1. Okay. Listen, how to find f of x. F of x can be written as f of the function f of x is given, that is nothing but x minus 1 by x plus 1. You need to substitute this total value in place of x. Then what you will get? X minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1. Both are having same LCM. Then x minus 1 minus into x minus into 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 plus x plus 1. Now here x gets cancelled and 1 gets cancelled. Then what you will get? Minus 2 by 2x, again 2 gets cancelled, then answer is minus 1 by x. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 64. Next, 65. F maps R to R is given by f of x equals to tan x, then f inverse of 1. Then f inverse of 1. This value we need to find. First option is pi by 4. Second option is n pi plus pi by 4, where n belongs to z. Third one does not exist. Fourth one, none of these. Okay. We need to find the inverse of the function. How to find inverse of the function? Let f of x equals to y. From this, x equals to f inverse of y. What is f of x? It is given tan x equals to y. From this you can get x equals to tan, go to that side, becomes tan inverse. Instead of x, you substitute f inverse of y. Tan inverse of y. But in question they asked f inverse of 1, means in place of y substitute 1. That equals to tan inverse 1. Students, here so many students will confuse. When tan inverse 1 is there, automatically they will write pi by 4. It is not correct. Why? Because pi by 4 is one of the solution. But here we need to write all the solution. All the solution is nothing but general solution. Pi by 4 is the principal solution. Pi by 4 is not a single solution of the function tan inverse of 1, because tan is positive in first quadrant as well as third quadrant also. That's why in this case we need to write the general solution of the function. Then that can be written as n pi plus pi by 4. This is the general solution of tan function where n belongs to z. That is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for question number 65. Next. The inverse of the function. The inverse of the function f of x equals to 10 power x minus 10 power minus x by 10 power x plus 10 power minus x is options. First option log 2 minus x base 10. Second option 1 by 2 log 1 plus x by 1 minus x base 10. Third one 1 by 2 log 2x minus 1 base 10. Fourth one 1 by 4 log 2x by 2 minus x. 2x by 2 minus x. Okay. How to find inverse of this function? Let f of x equals to y. F of x is given 10 power x minus 10 power minus x by 10 power x plus 10 power minus x, that equals to y. If you simplify this, 10 power x minus 10 power minus x can be written as 1 by 10 power x by 10 power x plus 1 by 10 power x equals to y. Now simplify this, 10 power 2x minus 1 by 10 power 2x plus 1, both LCMs gets cancelled. So if you cross multiply, then what you will get? 10 power 2x minus 1 equals to 10 power 2x into y plus y. I will take 10 power 2x common. 1 minus y equals to 1 plus y. Then 10 power 2x equals to 1 plus y by 1 minus y. Now applying log on both sides. Apply log base 10 on both sides. First you apply the logarithmic for the LHS. Log base 10 of 10 power 2x, that equals to log base 10 1 plus y by 1 minus y. Already we discussed in logarithmic, the value which is present in the power, that value comes first. Then 2x into log 10 base 10 is equal to log base 10 into 1 plus y by 1 minus y. This value is very clear, that is 1. Log a base a, both are same, that value is 1. Then 2x is equal to log base 10 1 plus y by 1 minus y. Send to this side, then x equals to 1 by 2 into log base 10 1 plus y by 1 minus y. This is x. From this step we can write x is nothing but f inverse of y. Then f inverse of y equals to 1 by 2 into log base 10 1 plus y by 1 minus y. But in question, the answer is given in terms of x. That's why you replace with variable x in place of y. Then f inverse f x equals to 1 by 2 log base 10 1 plus x by 1 minus x. This is the inverse of this given function f of x. That is nothing but option 2 is the correct answer for this question number 66. Next, 67, they given f maps R to R is given by f of x is equals to, they given 2x x square 3x. If 2x is given for the condition x greater than 3, x square is given 1 less than x less than or equals to 3, and 3x is given for x less than or equals to 1. Then we need to find f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4. First option 9, second option 14, third option 5, fourth option none of these. Okay, listen, f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4. Minus 1 is satisfying the condition, third condition, that is 3x, 3 into minus 1, and 2 satisfying condition number 2, that is x square, and 4 is satisfying condition number 1, and 2 4 is. If you simplify, minus 3 plus 4 plus 8. Now 9 is the answer for this question number 67. That is nothing but option 1 is correct answer. Next, 68th question. The number of binary operations. The number of binary operations that can be defined on a set of 2 elements. Set contains how many elements? 2 elements. We need to find the number of binary operations. First option 8, next option 4, third option 16, fourth option 64. Students, first you need to remember the formula for number of binary operation of a set contain n elements. Number of binary operations on a set equals to n power n square. That is a formula for number of binary operation. Why we need to use n? Because this set contains n elements. Instead of n, you can substitute 2. That is 2 power 2 square, that is 2 power 4, that is nothing but total 16 binary operations are possible on this set. That is nothing but option 3 is a correct answer for this question number 68. Next, 69. The number of commutative binary operations. The number of commutative binary operations that can be defined on a set of 2 elements, on a set of 2 elements is first option 8, second option 6, third option 4, fourth option 2. Okay, listen, the number of commutative binary operations, the number of commutative binary operations on a set A and a set contains n elements on a set contains n elements is equal to, the formula is n power n into n minus 1 by 2. This is formula for number of commutative binary operation. But in this question the set contains 2 elements, so n equals to 2, you can substitute 2 power 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled, that is 2 power 1. So answer is 2. That is nothing but fourth option is a correct answer. Now last question, question number 70. The signum function, f maps R to R is given by f of x is equal to plus 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equals to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0 is first 1 1, next on to, third many to 1, fourth none of these. Very easy, already this question is there in PU also. First I am finding f of 1. 1 means it is satisfying first condition because 1 greater than 0. If x greater than 0, value is 1. Next I am taking 2. 2 also greater than 0, again 1. I am taking 3. 3 also greater than 0, 1. So from this what we observe? 1 having image 1, 2 having image 1, 3 having image 1. Many elements having same image. If many elements are having same image means that function is what? Many to 1. Many to 1 means option 3 is a correct answer for this question number 70.